Hi, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I will show you how to connect SwiftMQ standalone routers to Flow Director via a connector. The connector is defined on the router side. The embedded router of Flow Director has a routing listener on port 4100 by default. This port can be defined as connector in the pre-config file of a SwiftMQ router. As you can see, I have my 3 SwiftMQ standalone router installed in the version 12.1.0. The routers are configured via a pre-config file, the mynode.xml. In here, the JMS, AMQP and MQTT ports are disabled and a routing connector is defined. The name of the connector is Flow Director. The host name is localhost because the SwiftMQ routers are running on it. And the port is 4100, which is the standard routing listener port of Flow Director. This is defined in all nodes in the same way, only the router name changes in the pre-config file. Now that our routers are configured, we switch over to Flow Director. I have here the app Router Monitoring installed, which you can download from our app repository. After login, we can see our embedded Flow Director router in the menu and its metrics. So let's see some magic and navigate to the flow orchestration. We will now start all routers, first node 1, then node 2 and lastly node 3. They appear after a successful start in our flow orchestrator without any further configuration. Then we can select all flows, activate them on the nodes and go to the dashboard orchestration, in which we do the same. If we now open the menu again, we can see that all nodes are listed and that the metrics of all can be viewed. This is the most easiest way of connecting SwiftMQ routers to Flow Director. It requires no further configuration on the Flow Director side. That was how to connect your standalone SwiftMQ routers to Flow Director with a routing connector. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time.